Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, because missing basics cause wasted effort. Confirm your Outlook version and account type. Make a quick backup of PSD or OSD files and note passwords. Once done, disable any VPN and switch to a stable network so sync tests are reliable. Next, open Outlook in safe mode to prevent ad and interference. This isolates the app. Make sure your system clock and time zone match the mail server, since mismatches often block authentication and syncing. Now you tackle the middle detailed steps. Repair the account to refresh credentials and test connectivity. If repair fails, run scan PSD on PSD files or rename the OSD to force Outlook to rebuild the local cache. This resolves corruption. While that runs, verify incoming/outgoing server ports and encryption. Make sure SSL or TLS matches the provider. Also test Auto Discover by creating a new temporary profile. If that syncs, your original profile is the issue and should be recreated. Finish by recreating the profile if rebuilding the OSD didn't help, then carefully import your backed up data so nothing is lost. Once recreated, clear the local cache, restart Outlook, and watch the send/receive progress and sync status for errors. If syncing still fails, check your mailbox quota and the server's health. Sometimes a full mailbox or server outage blocks sync. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable all add-ins. If sync returns, re-enable them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.